Strategy number 7 that's unique to Helium 10, and it actually happens to be one of the first tools that Helium 10 ever made, and that's Index Checker. It used to be called 5K Checker. Indexing and ranking are two different things. Ranking is how the products that are showing up in the search results, the first 7 pages. Like, for example, remember that keyword we looked up before, queen size bed sheets. There are 7 pages or 300 listings that are ranking for it, but there are actually 30,000 products that are indexed, searchable for the keyword. So what's the use case of this? Let's say that I was that one coffin shelf that had that relevancy issue, and I was comparing my product with the Helium 10 coffin bookshelf. And I'm like, hey, you know what? Where are the keywords that my competitor, which is actually my product, is ranking in the top 30, but my product is not ranking at all? So I just ran a search like that, and I came up with 36 keywords. So there's 36 keywords that the Helium 10 coffin shelf is ranking on page 1 for, that this other product is not ranking at all. So if I was this other product, like we got keywords here like Elvira coffin table book, right? I want to know, I'm obviously not ranking for these keywords, but maybe am I not even indexed? Meaning that, am I not searchable? Why is this important? Because if I am indexed for a keyword and I'm just not ranking for it, what does that mean? I could probably just run some sponsored ads. I'll add it to a sponsored ad campaign and start running traffic to it. But if I am not indexed for the keyword, guess what? I can put that in any campaign and put a $5,000 bid. Is Amazon going to show me for that keyword? Not if I'm not indexed. So the next step is find out if you're indexed. So these 36 keywords, that this product is not ranking for, I'm going to go ahead and put those into Index Checker, and let's go ahead and check. Am I indexed at the phrase level for each of these keywords? And let's take a look. Actually, only a few of these keywords I'm indexed for. So these keywords that says, yes, I'm indexed, right away, I can go ahead and start running some sponsored ads to those keywords. And I'll know I'll probably get some action for these keywords as long as I'm relevant for it, but at the very least, I'm indexed. But look at all of these keywords I am not indexed for. Now, some of these I know I probably am indexed for. Like, I would imagine I'm indexed for coffin, or if I was a seller, but maybe I'm wondering, what is the actual word in these phrases that is causing me to be not indexed? So I can go in and repaste all of these phrases that I'm not indexed for. And then I'm going to remove the phrases, and I want to check at the individual level. What are the keywords maybe I need to add to my listing to get indexed for, so that I can be indexed for those phrases? Because just because you're not indexed for a phrase, it's probably a lot of times because only one word there. So like, for example, if I had a keyword in my listing, sumo wrestler belt, maybe I've got sumo and belt in my listing, but not wrestler. It means I'm not indexed for wrestler, and that's causing the whole phrase sumo wrestler belt to not be indexed or searchable. So what do I have to do? Do I have to add the whole sumo wrestler belt just to get indexed? No. All I have to add is wrestler, because I have sumo and belt in there. So that's what this is going to show me right here for those individual phrases. And now I can see right here, wow, there's only a few keywords that this product is indexed for. Coffin, book, large, shelf, gothic, coffins, tall. But all these other keywords are the exact keywords that is causing me not to be indexed. So guys, this is just something that is irreplaceable. Or I guess that you could do it without this tool. I would just, type in 1-by-1 searches on Amazon and put the ACE in and do a whole bunch of things. It would literally take me an hour and a half probably to do this, what I just showed you in about 2 minutes here, to really see what words I have to add to my listing in order to be indexed. So Index Checker, guys, is so important. Only available in Helium 10.